In front of me is Vivo Y95 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting one of the supported apps you wish to use in this view and then sliding down 3 of your fingers, like that. Now tap on the second app and as you can see now I can use both of them at once. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down, then hit home button. To learn more about split screen, go into settings, scroll all the way down here and tap on smart split. Then tap on manual screen split here, read all of those informations and tap on message screen splitting here. This time you need to tap on gray switcher next to message screen splitting if it's not already on and click on those switchers next to your apps you wish to use. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!